Hey guys, I just want to take a quick minute and make a video about what is the best strategy for beginners entering into the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space. And I wanted to talk because, you get this video and you see all the different, subtitles of other videos on YouTube here, and most of them are about trading and day trading and, how you make $3,000 turn into $3 million overnight and, whatever. That's, I'm sure there is some of those ways that are legitimate. But for the average person getting involved with cryptocurrency, getting involved with Bitcoin, it doesn't have to be complicated. And really, honestly, it shouldn't be. And so my suggestion, and, obviously I've developed a whole training program called Simplify Crypto, which I'll link in the bottom here if you're interested. But you should be taking, if you're brand new and you don't have any background in trading or, any background in day trading or investing or any of those kind of, specific skill sets with the market, you really shouldn't be dabbling with that. Really what you should be doing is having a long-term strategy, one that allows you to take advantage. I mean, Bitcoin is the future. There is so much just potential with Bitcoin, but you got to look at it over the long term. And some of my other videos would explain what the potential of Bitcoin is and why we believe that long term, even if prices right now are under $10,000 for a Bitcoin, that is still, in my opinion, a relatively low price of what Bitcoin is going to do. And so my suggestion and my strategy that we talk about in our program is basically buy some cryptocurrency, be willing to hold on to it for the long term, but also put it into an account that can earn you interest in Bitcoin. And so really, this isn't some, massive, unique trading strategy, but the idea is you want compounding interest over time, and you want that to be done in Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency of your choice. But if you can have something long term, where I believe the base foundation of the Bitcoin as an asset is going to continue to grow over the next 10, 20, 30 years. Not only will the principal of your Bitcoin potentially exponentially grow, but you can also have it compounding while it's sitting in an account waiting. And so to me, that makes total sense as to how a brand new person should come in. Most people are used to traditional banking where you earn some money, you put it into a savings account, and you earn like next to nothing, honestly, right now, right? In interest. But that's what most people do. And that's the best, most safe, secure way that you can take your money and grow it, sort of. But there are companies, cryptocurrency right now it's the new frontier. And there's plenty of companies out there right now that will pay you 6% interest on just putting your Bitcoin into an account and holding it there. There are some definite advantages and disadvantages. And you can check out the link below to the article that I've written about the advantages and disadvantages. But for the average person, just buying some Bitcoin, holding it in an account, saving it for the long term, and earning compound interest on it will be a much better strategy and a much less risky strategy than trying to day trade and, hit the timing just right on things. So there's a whole bunch more. There's a whole lot of different ways that we could talk about this idea and this concept, but it's really basic. If you're brand new, just do what you've always done, except with a new asset class. Real simple. Check out Simplified Crypto and learn all about the steps, step by step, how to set up the accounts, what accounts to set up, other strategies, other tips, other important, valuable information. It's a $10 program. It'll be well worth your time, but we go through every step of that and how to accomplish compound interest for the long term. Thanks for watching.